Nothing like that exhaust note of a two-stroke triple. What's up, guys? This is bike number 3 of 10 that we're going to be test riding today. It's an awesome day here at the New England Motorcycle Museum. This is one of my favorites. It's a two-stroke. It's Two-Stroke Tuesday. Just got off the RD 400 and I'm about to ride this 250. Kenny fired it up. The exhaust note on the triple is definitely more intoxicating and sounds better than the RD, I think. It's just a really unique sound. In fact, Kenny said it sounds like an H2, just a small H2. Think of it as 3 Kawasaki KX80 engines hopped up and put together. It's just awesome. 3-cylinder two-stroke. These are becoming extremely rare. This is a 1975 model S1 250 triple two-stroke, oil injected, painted in the original colors with a brand new seat cover on it. This one's been a long time coming. This has been in our restoration shop for about a year. We took it right down to the frame, took the tins, the seat, the tank, everything off of it, front and rear tires, and went to town on it. Kenny has the full description of the work order. This came from the Glenn Trenholm collection out of Boston, Massachusetts. Glenn's a longtime friend of mine, ex-pro motocrosser and flat tracker who has a nice collection of bikes there, and he's had the bikes for a long time, and we took it to the next level. So our good friend out of Pennsylvania had a collection of 4 of these who he sold to Tanaka, a collector in Japan. As I understand it, he had the S1 250, the 350, the 400, and the 750. Is that correct? Or the 500 and 750? He had 4 of them, right?
Yeah, the 250, 350, 500, and the 750 in green, 1974.
In green, and a full set of 4 of these, and he sold them for $80,000, right? So, you know, if you're a collector and you want to fill in your lineup, you've got a 350, you got a 500, and a 750. Highly recommend completing the collection, because when collectors buy full sets, if you ever have to sell it, they're worth a lot as a set. So this one's like the bookend, and they're very rare. Mark, our lead mechanic who restored this bike, said that they didn't sell a lot of these because most people would buy the 350 or the 400 for a little bit more. So there weren't that many of these produced. So let me fire it up, take it for a rip. Is my helmet cam on? Engine's nice and quiet. Take it for a little rip. Not a lot of vibration, it's nice and smooth. But the mason's working here on the front stone wall. Looking good, guys, looking real good. Awesome. Just a little ripper. I saw the work order on this. The bottom line is that with parts and labor and the paint job, they put $5,600 into restoration and preservation services on this bike. So like the grip. Rides nice, shifts nice. And she goes good. We haven't been seeing a lot of the triple two-strokes available either online or through collections or auctions. They're just getting really, really rare. So we've had this one for about a year going through it. Kenny's got the work order with all the details on it. I just remember looking at the bottom line. I know we sent the tank out to have it freshly painted and new graphics installed. And our lead mechanic Mark worked on it. Shifts beautifully. It's about out of gas. I had to put it on reserve. Ran out of gas at the package store there. I like the pictures. I saw Kenny did the pictures Kenny did with the photo shoot. Kind of speak for themselves. It's a beautiful bike. Love the color. Everything about it, real classic bike. Hallmark of a good design is one that still looks good 45 years later, as this one does. Nice and light bike. Front brakes work great. As you'd expect for such a light bike, there's not a lot of weight to stop. Acceleration is good. Takes right off. Handles beautifully. And it's a stunning conversation piece. Look at the murals on the building. Motorcycle murals. We got one of Evel Knievel right there. The legend himself, Evel Knievel. Great running little machine. Nothing like that exhaust note of a two-stroke triple. Two-stroke Tuesday at the New England Motorcycle Museum. Come on inside. Great running little bike, that's for sure. All the idiot lights work, the neutral light, the high beam, turn signals, left and right, work beautifully, as does the brake light. Also has the Kawasaki 250 matching keychain, which is kind of cool. Very cool. How does it sound ripping down the road?
Nasty.
It's awesome, isn't it?
Yes. And there's something about the cloud of smoke from the two-stroke that adds to the whole package.
Yeah, it's definitely a unique look going on the road. You want me to go over the work order? It's a really detailed one.
No, if you're interested in buying the bike, look at the eBay ad. The link will be in the description of this video.
Here's the bottom line, $5,600 on the work order.
We'll have the complete work order typed up in the eBay ad.
There's pages of work that's been done on this bike. Like I said, it's been in pages of parts. So it's been gone through thoroughly, and it's ready to roll. Excellent investment quality bike, and as usual, we went overboard, investing $5,600 in parts and labor into the restoration. So buy assured, knowing it's an awesome bike that's only going to go up in value. Good luck bidding on it. God bless America.